how can we then create a supportive and meaningful learning experience for students? Now, if you're familiar with the Community of Inquiry framework, this is a theoretical framework that describes an optimal design for online learning environments. It essentially describes a learning process right here in the center, the educational experience, where it occurs as an intersection between three types of presence: social presence, cognitive presence, and teaching presence. And so social presence essentially refers to the ability of students to identify with one another, communicate authentically, purposefully, and safely in a trusting environment, all with the goal of developing interpersonal relationships. When we think of cognitive presence, this is, how are students interacting with the content cognitively, using higher order thinking? And so how are they engaging critically with content? How do they construct meaning? What importance or relevance is that content bringing them? And then lastly, teaching presence. This is where the instructor comes in, right? So it refers to the design and facilitation of how we direct as instructors. How do we direct the learning process? Meaning, how are we directing social presence and cognitive presence? And so only when we can create an environment that essentially intertwines those three types of presence can we really successfully create a supportive and meaningful educational experience for our students.